Imagine slicing through meal prep like a pro, without the hassle of knives or bulky appliances. This Geedel Hand Food Chopper is here to transform your kitchen game, making chopping, dicing, and mincing a breeze. Whether you're whipping up a fresh salsa, dicing onions for a hearty stew, or prepping nuts for a dessert, this manual vegetable processor delivers speed, safety, and simplicity. In this review, we'll dive into why the Geedel Hand Food Chopper is a must-have kitchen gadget, exploring its standout features, benefits, and why it's trending among home cooks. Ready to save time and elevate your cooking? Let's chop into it. Why the Geedel Hand Food Chopper stands out. Meal prep can feel like a Sisyphean task. Endless chopping, tears from onions, and the constant cleanup of bulky tools. The Geedel Hand Food Chopper solves these pain points with a compact, manual design that's both powerful and user-friendly. Equipped with 420 surgical stainless steel blades, this chopper delivers precision cuts in seconds, requiring minimal effort. Its BPA-free, food-grade plastic construction ensures safety, while the non-electric design means no cords, no noise, and ultimate portability. Whether you're a busy parent, a camping enthusiast, or a small apartment dweller, this chopper is designed to make your life easier. What makes this gadget a game-changer? It's the perfect blend of efficiency, safety, and versatility. Unlike electric food processors that hog counter space and require constant plugging and unplugging, the Geedel chopper is a lightweight, 1.15-pound marvel that fits anywhere. Its 3-cup capacity is ideal for small to medium batches, perfect for daily cooking or meal prepping for the week. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe, making cleanup as quick as rinsing underwater for 15 seconds. Curious about how it performs in real kitchens? Let's break down its features and benefits. Key features of the Geedel Hand Food Chopper. For 20 surgical stainless steel blades, these ultra-sharp blades slice through onions, garlic, nuts, and even boneless meat with ease, ensuring uniform cuts every time. 3-cup capacity. Spacious enough for family-sized portions but compact for easy storage, this chopper replaces smaller, less efficient models. BPA-free, food-grade materials. Made with health-conscious materials, it's safe for preparing baby food, smoothies, or any dish you love. Non-electric, noise-free design. No cords or batteries needed, making it ideal for quiet kitchens, camping, or small spaces. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe parts. Disassemble and rinse in 15 seconds or toss in the dishwasher, top rack, for hassle-free cleanup. Ergonomic rotary handle. A simple twist of the handle delivers fast, effortless chopping, reducing strain on your hands. Versatile chopping and mixing. From salads and salsas to pesto and egg liquid, this chopper handles a wide range of ingredients. Benefits that make a difference. Saves time and effort. With its sharp blades and rotary mechanism, you'll chop ingredients in seconds, cutting meal prep time in half. Perfect for busy weeknights or prepping for gatherings. Promotes healthy cooking. The BPA-free materials ensure your food stays safe and free from harmful chemicals, while the manual design encourages fresh, homemade meals. Safe and accessible. No need to handle sharp blades directly, making it ideal for kids learning to cook, seniors, or anyone with dexterity challenges. Portable and space-saving. Its compact size and non-electric design make it perfect for small kitchens, camping trips, or picnics. Budget-friendly efficiency. At an affordable price, it delivers the functionality of pricier electric processors without the maintenance or energy costs. Who is the Geedel Hand Food Chopper for? This chopper is a kitchen superhero for a wide range of users. It's perfect for busy parents. Quickly prep healthy meals or snacks for kids without the fuss of knives or electric appliances. Apartment dwellers. Its compact size fits small kitchens, and the non-electric design is ideal for limited counter space. Camping enthusiasts. Portable and cordless. It's a must-have for outdoor cooking, from chopping veggies for campfire meals to mixing salsas. Health-conscious cooks. The BPA-free materials and ability to prep fresh ingredients make it a go-to for clean eating. Beginner cooks or seniors. The safe, Easy-to-use design is ideal for those with limited knife skills or dexterity challenges. Real-world performance. How it shines. In testing, the Geedel Hand Food Chopper excelled at chopping onions, garlic, and tomatoes for salsa, delivering uniform pieces with minimal effort. The rotary handle is smooth and ergonomic, requiring just a few twists to dice a whole onion. Unlike some manual choppers that require forceful slamming, this one glides through ingredients with ease. It also handled nuts and herbs beautifully, making it a versatile tool for everything from pesto to dessert toppings. The 3-cup capacity was just right for prepping a family-sized salad, and cleanup was a breeze, either a quick rinse or a trip through the dishwasher. Why you should buy now. The Geedel Hand Food Chopper is more than a gadget. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It saves time, reduces kitchen stress, and makes healthy cooking accessible to everyone. Whether you're dicing onions tear-free or whipping up a quick pesto, this chopper delivers consistent results without the noise or bulk of electric processors. At its affordable price, it's a no-brainer for anyone looking to streamline meal prep. Don't miss out on this kitchen essential. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and grab yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.